As the sun set, on a day filled with the gleam of polished chrome, the purr of vintage engines, and the camaraderie of fellow enthusiasts, we extend our deepest appreciation to our loyal subscribers. It is with immense gratitude that we thank each and every one of you for your unwavering support and dedication to our channel. Your enthusiasm for classic cars and commitment to our community have been the driving force behind our endeavors, and it is thanks to you that events like the 2023 Africa Concours D'Elegance have been possible. We owe a debt of gratitude to the Alfa Romeo Club Kenya, whose passion for automotive heritage and tireless efforts in organizing the Concours D'Elegance have been instrumental in making this event a success. Their dedication to preserving the legacy of classic cars has inspired enthusiasts from all corners to come together in celebration. Our heartfelt thanks also go out to our sponsors, stakeholders, and partners whose generous support and collaboration have helped turn our vision into reality. Without their contributions, the Concours D'Elegance would not have been the resounding success it was. To the participants who proudly showcased their classic cars, representing iconic brands such as Alfa Romeo, Mercedes, BMW, Chevrolet, Peugeot, Mini Cooper, Toyota, Mazda, Nissan, and beyond, we extend our deepest appreciation. Your passion and commitment to preserving automotive history brought the event to life and captivated spectators and fellow enthusiasts alike. A special commendation is due to the skilled mechanics whose expertise and dedication ensured that every vehicle sparkled with perfection, reflecting the timeless beauty of yesteryears. Without their meticulous attention to detail, the Concours D'Elegance would not have been the dazzling display of automotive excellence that it was. We also extend our gratitude to the food vendors whose delectable offerings tantalized our taste buds and added to the vibrant atmosphere of the event. Your culinary creations were a welcome addition to the festivities and helped fuel our energy throughout the day. To all the other car enthusiasts and attendees who joined us in celebrating the rich history and heritage of classic cars, we thank you for your enthusiasm and support. Your presence and participation made the Concours D'Elegance a truly memorable experience. Congratulations are in order for those who were honored with trophies and certificates recognizing their exceptional vehicles and dedication to the art of automotive restoration and preservation. Your achievements are a testament to your passion and commitment to the classic car community. To those who may have felt disappointed or unsatisfied with any aspect of the event, we offer our sincerest apologies. Your feedback is invaluable, and we are committed to addressing any concerns to ensure that future iterations of the Concours D'Elegance exceed your expectations? As the sun sets on another successful Concours D'Elegance, we look forward to the opportunity to come together again in the spirit of camaraderie and admiration for these automotive marvels. With your continued support, we are confident that future events will be even more memorable and rewarding for all involved. In conclusion, we are filled with gratitude and appreciation for the incredible journey we've embarked on together. From the gleaming classics on display to the laughter and camaraderie shared among enthusiasts, the 2023 Africa Concours D'Elegance was a testament to the enduring passion and spirit of our community. As we reflect on the memories created and the bonds forged, we extend our heartfelt thanks once again to our subscribers, the Alfa Romeo Club Kenya, sponsors, stakeholders, participants, mechanics, food vendors, car enthusiasts, and attendees. Your support, dedication, and enthusiasm have been the driving force behind our success, and for that, we are truly grateful. As we look forward to future events and endeavors, let us continue to celebrate the rich history and heritage of classic cars with joy and gratitude. Together, we are writing the next chapter in the story of automotive excellence, and we are thankful to have every one of you by our side. Here's to many more adventures, triumphs, and cherished moments together. Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at the Concours D'Elegance family.